Arrangement of people, arrangement of letters in a word, arrangement of digits in number, it's all the same thing. I mean, it's the same logic, it's the same approach. We'll start off with the arrangement of letters, then we talk about people in a way, show that, and then we also have another video on focusing on only the numbers and the digits. Right? So let's focus on this part. How many different words can be formed by arranging the letters of APE? So that's basically, let me take the brutal way or the rudimentary way to explain this. So ape is one word, PAE is another word, right? AEP is another word. Here you don't look for the meaning, it's just about moving around the letters. Then what else? AEP, APE, PAE, PEA. Then I have EAP and EPA. These are 6 different words I can make with the letters APE. Right? Obviously, making this is a tedious approach. And this is fine. For parts, it's going to be painful, and for the longer words, it's going to be really hard. So, simple thing is this. So, I have 3 letters, right? APE, and I have to make a 3-letter word. So, think like this. What are the letters? I have A, P, and E that I can put in these 3 slots. So, how many options do I have for the first blank? I can put A, or I can put P, or I can put E. So, basically, I have 3 options. Once I have put one of these 3, right, how many options would I have been left with the next blank? I will only be left with 2 options, because let's say I have selected A, then I have only P or E here. Or if I selected P, then I only am left with A and E, vice versa. I mean, obviously same for E also, right? So if I've selected one letter here, what will be I left for the third? There is only one option, that's the remaining letter I'll fit. So the number of ways in which I can arrange this is 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. That's what I got, right? So that's basically 3 factorial, right? 3 into 2 into 1. So very similar to this purse also, I have 5 letters P, U, R, S, E. So I can make 5 blanks here for 5-letter word. For the first blank, I have 5 options. P, or U, or R, or S, or E. For the second blank, I will be only having 4 options. 3 options, 2 options, 1 option. That is basically 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That's 5 factorial. So a simple way to answer this is how many different words can be formed by arranging the letters. N-letter word is done by n factorial way. That's what I'm saying, right? 5-letter word is getting into 5 factorial, 3-letter word is 3 factorial, 10-letter word is 10 factorial, and so on. But keep this in mind, all these words have letters which are not repeating. That is, A is occurring once, P is occurring once, E is occurring once. Same with this also, right? What should we do if there is a repetition of letters? Let's get to that example, right? So, how many different words can be formed by arranging letters of APP, app? You see, let me show this again in the rudimentary way. So if I swap these two, right, I'll still get app only, right? P here, which is the same word, right? Let me write it as PAP, right? If I swap these 2 letters, I still get PAP, which is again the same thing. If I do PPA and I swap these 2, I'll still get PPA, which is again the same thing. So finally, which looks like 6 in the case of ape, right? How we got 6 here. Though I write 6 here as well, there is similar word that is being formed because there's a repetition of letters P and P. So what is the actual count? It is only 3, not 6. So how should I find this, right? The formula will go like this. If there are n letters, right, in which some of them are same type, right? Let's say A, B numbers, etc. So all you need to do is n factorial by A factorial into B factorial, etc. What are these? A is not the letter A. I am talking about number of letters of same type. If there are A letters of the same type, that's why I do it. So similarly, let's take this example, right, to explain this. App, it is 3-letter word. A is occurring once, so I don't do anything. P is occurring twice, so I need to divide by 2 factorial ways. The answer is 3 factorial by 2 factorial is 3. That's what we got, right? So let me show people, right? P-E-O-P-L-E. P is occurring twice, so that's why I have to divide by 2 factorial. E is occurring twice, I have to divide by 2 factorial. O is occurring once, L is occurring once, I don't do anything. How many letters do I see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer is 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This 2 factorial is coming because of P occurring twice. E is also occurring twice, that's why I'm writing 2 factorial. If I have a word like, let's say, APPAPR, just assume there's a word like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 factorial ways I can arrange. P is occurring thrice. A is occurring twice. R is occurring once, so I don't write anyway because 1 factorial is 1, so I don't need to write it. So this is the answer for this. That's how you need to do when there's a repetition of letters, right? So make sure that you understand this properly.